Gift giving ideas from Family Dollar that will not break the bank. And I've got a family friendly meal idea all from Family Dollar. I'm Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. Welcome back to my channel. All right, you guys, now, as I mentioned, we've got some really fun, just Family Dollar gift ideas here. And what's so cool about all of these is that they can really be for a variety of people. So let's say you have a lot of gifts to buy. Maybe you just don't have a big budget. There are going to be some really fun things in here and some out-of-the-box ideas. And honestly, these are gifts that I would love to get personally. So I thought that that would be a good gauge, because I think that I can be kind of hard to buy for sometimes, but also very easy, because a lot of the very simple stuff actually makes me really, really happy. Now, this first thing, and I've taken the tag off here, but this is a set. This is a blanket and a pair of socks that match the blanket. You can kind of see that here. And it was $10, right? That in itself is super, super cute. Now, it already came with this bow that's on the front. All I did was kind of flip it around because it's actually Velcro. Now, what if you wanted to give somebody maybe some gingerbread cookies? I love these Stouffer's gingerbread ice cookies that are from Family Dollar, and all you have to do is take this, put this on top of here, maybe do another bigger ribbon or something on top of it. That creates a very cute gift in itself. But then, like, maybe you could put some tea with it or some hot cocoa with it. Think about when you're sitting on the couch, you're chilling out, you're watching a favorite Christmas movie, you want to snuggle up in a nice warm blanket, you want to keep your feet warm, and you want to have a little snack. So why not do it? This was $10. These cookies, I think, were $3, $13. You got a great little gift set here. And you can customize this. You can make it as personal as you want. Fun bows, fun ribbons, put it in a big gift bag. So many cool options for it, and I really, really love it. Now, for this next DIY idea, family-friendly idea, we are going to be making a very cool soup. Now, this is a cheese tortellini. I've also got these meatballs. I had this beef broth on hand. I also grabbed some Prego when I was at Family Dollar, as well as some Parmesan cheese. Go ahead and take your stock pot. You're going to cook everything in the stock pot, which is so great. I've got the stock pot warming up a little bit there, and I'm going to add this bag of meatballs into there. We're just going to stir it around. I did end up adding some olive oil afterwards. I meant to put that in there first, but that's okay. After everything has cooked, I took those meatballs out of my pot, and now I'm just going to add this beef broth into here. And then I'm going to stir it around just a little bit to kind of get those little bits off of the bottom of that pan. And we are going to then add our cheese tortellini. Now, this tortellini, again, everything came from Family Dollar. Go ahead and just stir that around, let that kind of simmer, and then you're going to add your spaghetti sauce. I'm adding this entire jar. This is the Italian sausage and garlic, I believe. Go ahead and stir that around, and then you're going to add another half of the jar of water to this, or beef broth. Go ahead and add your meatballs back into your broth and just let that kind of chill out and cook away. Now, one thing I also added was a bag of spinach. Now, I keep my spinach in the freezer. I buy fresh spinach. I put it in the freezer, and then I can just kind of crinkle it up like this when it's frozen. It is the perfect addition for soups, and I'm going to go ahead and add about 3 handfuls of spinach to this, and then we're just going to let this sit back and do its work. It is going to cook, and we are going to have an amazing lunch or dinner that is family friendly and very, very affordable. This soup turned out so good, and I just added a little bit of Parmesan cheese to the top, and this is the perfect meal. Add this with a salad or a little bit of bread, and you've got total yumminess and warmth for the holidays. I know that many of us have kids, teenagers in your life, and you may be thinking, like, what the heck am I going to get them? Well, one thing that you could do, and this really could be for kids of all ages, just depending on, parent supervision and all that stuff. But This to me is such a fun thing to do, and I have done this as an adult at a party before that I've had at my house, and I've done it at other people's houses as well. But building a gingerbread house together is so much fun. This kit actually has 2 little mini gingerbread houses in it. Now, I think this was, I think it was $5. And what's so cool about this is that you can get everything you need inside this box to make this gingerbread. Now, the house and the pieces are already like cooked for you. They kind of come like that. So they're kind of like cookies. And then you just use the icing and everything to stick them together, to glue them together, to make the house shapes. And then it comes with the candy and everything, the icing. Like, it's got everything. And if you have 2 kids, this is a great way to kind of incorporate just some holiday fun, build gingerbread houses together, and then you have them to kind of look at, or you can eat them right away, whichever one you want to. I have personally made gingerbread houses before that kind of look like crack houses, and they ended up just going in my belly just as well as the pretty ones did. So definitely something to do. Now, another thing that I think is really cool and a fun idea, it's a $5 gift idea, and this could be for an adult or for somebody that's a teenager, like very, very easily. This is a Himalayan salt lamp, and this salt lamp has 8 different colors to it, which is really, really cool. This could go in an office, this could go on a bookshelf or anything next to your TV. But what's really, really cool about this, I know that the light is shining in here. This was $5, y'all. This was $5. And I don't know if this plugs in. Let's see if it says. So it's actually USB powered, which is kind of cool because you can plug it up, plug it in, charge it, and then because it does have USB, if you have one of those little blocks, you could plug it in that way too and kind of keep it more permanent. But super, super cute, 8 different colors. It was $5. Such a good, cute gift idea all by itself. And it's actually kind of heavy, which is, you know, kind of makes you feel like you may have something kind of real cool in that box. I always think about like just fun stuff to give people that are like things that they may not normally buy themselves. And this would all go in a gift bag for sure. I don't have a gift bag, but we all know what gift bags look like. So boiled peanuts. I know you're like, what? Well, I happen to love boiled peanuts, and I love this brand of boiled peanuts. And you can get this brand in the much smaller cans at Dollar Tree, but this one is a big can. This is almost 25 ounces of boiled peanuts. So let's say you've got a guy in your life, right? He likes boiled peanuts. Then you take a pair of PJ pants, look at the buffalo check. Hello, how perfect are those? Put it right on top of there. Put this in a gift bag. That could be a gift idea, especially for, I dropped my boiled peanuts. This could be like really, really cool for like snacking, comfort, loungy, right? But then you maybe make it kind of into like the junk box, right? That my mom makes, where she puts stuff all in a box and it's all just kind of a mix of stuff. Add in some razors, maybe you add in some shaving cream. And again, I got all of these for about $12. And that one's just barely hanging on for life there at Family Dollar. And again, you can just take all of these items, put them in a gift bag or something, and you've got a really, really cute gift idea for that special guy in your life. And if you, excuse me, if you gave me boiled peanuts, I'd actually be okay with it because I love boiled peanuts. Another thing that I think is really, really cute for a teacher, they have some fantastic coffee mugs, and you're getting ready to see Otis here in a minute. He's sneaking around the corner. There he is. Otis, come here. There he is. Hi, baby boy. Hi. Come say hi to everybody. He's like, no. Coffee mugs. Really, really cute coffee mugs. They have a big variety of them. $3. If you are looking for a gift for a teacher, $3. This is such a good deal. What I also like to do is I like to take either tissue paper or even like the plastic bag and stuff it inside of there. And then if you do put candy or something in there, look at the baby boy. Don't show your butt to everybody. Then you could put something like maybe these gold coins in here. And then you could just kind of put them on top. You could certainly take them out of the packaging if you want. Maybe put some tissue paper on it. I probably would get a little more gold coins in here. And just fill that up and give that away as a gift. Another super, super cute idea. These were $1 each, so this gift was $6. And this is something that you could easily give to a teacher. And that would be really, really fun. And again, you could take those tags off if you wanted to. But I love that coffee mug. I'm probably keeping that coffee mug for myself. Now, this other thing is... I think it's so cute. I think it's a great hostess gift. If you are maybe invited over to a friend's house for the holidays, maybe for holiday cocktails or something, or maybe it's even like, maybe it's not like Christmas dinner or Thanksgiving dinner, but you know, something around the holidays. This is a great 3-piece kitchen set that you can give. This is $5 and it's also from Family Dollar. And again, you've got two, not one, but two, like what are they? They're not the pot holders. And then you've got an oven mitt, and then you've also got a towel here. So this is actually a 5-piece kitchen set. I'm sorry. There's one oven mitt, 2 pot holders, and 2 towels. So there's actually 2 towels here for $5. And they had these in all kinds of different colors and all kinds of different patterns. Now, if you wanted to take this a step further and turn this into a really, really cool gift, you could add a spatula. You could add a whisk, maybe in like a fun festive holiday red or something in gold or silver to coordinate with this. You could put a box of cookie mix or something in here. You could do some chocolate chips. You could make a cookie kind of ingredient bag and add this all together. And that would be a really, really cute idea. And most of those things you can get at Family Dollar as well. Another item, this could be included in the kind of man bag, the man gift, or even just for yourself. I'm actually going to put this and probably replace this blanket here with this for the holidays. And it's just a fun, plush kind of, you know, blanket. I know that Otis will absolutely love it. It is 50 by 60, so it is a really good size, 50 inches by 60 inches. It's a fun kind of fall color scheme. And actually, now that I'm thinking about this, I think I'm going to put this out on the front porch because this will go really, really good with the front porch decor. And again, it was $5. You could give this to somebody, or you could kind of make that for yourself. If you've got the teenagers, right? And maybe you've got a teenager that wants headphone set. This is $10, but what's so cool about this is a 2-pack. So you get the larger kind of over the ear headphones, and then see right here in the middle, you also get the in-ear one. So like car trip, road trip, maybe for working out or something. Super, super cool. $10. They had these in a lot of really fun colors. You know, I grabbed the blue because this is a gift to me from me. And I'm going to be using this on my upcoming trip that I'm going on. I'm going to South Florida for the Thanksgiving holiday. And this I'm super excited about to be able to take with me. This isn't necessarily a gift idea, but with all kinds of like holiday DIYs and stuff, I was thinking that this is kind of perfect. And honestly, I thought that they were really expensive looking, and they looked like you would find something at Hobby Lobby or Michael's or somewhere like that. $3 ribbon. How cute is that? Look at that tail. Speaking of cute. Hi, baby. And then they had these red and the khaki, but combined together. I thought that that could really make a fun wreath for the holidays. And come here, baby. Everybody wants to see you. Come here. He's like, I'm out. This, again, a gift to me from me, but these could be really fun gifts. If you know of somebody that's working on their first Christmas tree or something, and you see like mine has kind of that gold and copper kind of tones. These ornaments were beautiful, and they were $5 each. First of all, I've got those. How gorgeous are those? And then I found these, which I'm obsessed with. They have like sequins and pearls. You can kind of see the pearls on there. And these are just going on the tree behind me. I'm going to be adding these to the tree because I felt like I needed more bling, more ornaments. So that's what I'm doing. This is a fun gift idea that you could incorporate into like a larger gift. Let's say you have a child that's maybe still plays with a lot of toys. This is a toy cubby that hangs on like a closet rod, for example. And as you can see, there's 3 kind of little areas there that expand out that you can put toys into. However, couldn't you use this maybe for yourself, like to store like toiletries or something? Maybe you've got some back stock of some different things. Like I know when I will see toothpaste on sale, for example, I might buy some extra toothpaste or something like that. I can't imagine it would be very heavy items, but even like loofahs and sponges and things like that, or dish towels. Maybe you're even doing recycling bags. I don't know if this is food safe, but you could certainly maybe put some fruit or something in there and kind of help, you know, aerate it. That might look a little strange, but just throwing it out there. Do as I say, not as I do, or I don't know how that saying goes. But Velcro top, and then as you can see, it's stuck together. Oh, because it's got the little thing. Hold on. There we go. Super cute though, right? Oh, there's another one. Okay. Super, super cute. You've got 1, 2, 3 cubbies. This was like $1, maybe $2. And again, that could be something that just hangs. It's got a pretty decent weight. You would just have to, because this part goes over your closet rod. So you just want to make sure that that Velcro is strong enough. Stuffed animals, that could even be hanging from the ceiling for stuffed animals. And that's a great present in itself. Get a bunch of stuffed animals, get this in their favorite color, put it in the corner in their room or something, or hang it next to the tree. Super, super cute idea. Fun things to do. Now, this next thing was just purely selfish. As you can see, I've already got a few things for myself. And this was way too good not to pass up. Like, there was no way I could pass this up. This Santa sign. Like it says Santa's shop, I think is what it says. Santa's shop, but look, it lights up. This little thing comes with it, and then you just kind of disconnect this. There's a battery pack hanging on the back of this. Y'all, this was $7. This was only $7, and I am going to put this out on the front porch. This is going to be part of my holiday decor. Again, this little piece here is just in the store to kind of show you how it works. But super, super cute, right? I wonder if you could like finagle this thing and tape it down and just kind of like cheat the system and not have to put a battery pack in there. You know what I mean? I wonder if you could do that, at least for a little while till this battery pack ran out. But super, super cute. I love the way that lights up. Such a fun idea. You can't make that for $7. So I had to get that. And then this is a tray that I'm thinking about doing for the coffee table. I got a new coffee table. I made a coffee table a couple videos back. And I just need something that's a little different. I was thinking this square might be good for it. Now, this could be used for a frame. You could certainly do painting or anything, but I was thinking about spray painting it like maybe a copper or something that's kind of matches with what I've got behind, just to put on my coffee table. I may do like a navy blue or something like that too, just to kind of anchor the color with my room. But super, super cute idea. And then they always have a really, really fun just ornaments and things. I did grab some ornament hooks, but look at that ornament too. I thought that she was really, really pretty. And I grabbed a couple of these ballerinas. I grabbed probably, well, I say a couple, I grabbed like 10. And I'm going to put them on the tree behind me as well, and just really kind of decorate that up. The tree looks really good like in the front here, but you can see there's a few little holes, and the side that kind of faces the hallway, because this is a very slim tree from King of Christmas. Thank you, King of Christmas. There needs some love on the other side where the other ornaments, or there's no ornaments. So that's what I'm going to be doing. But anyway, this is my Family Dollar haul. So, so cute. So many great gift ideas. Gift ideas for family, for friends, and for you. All right, guys, thank you for being here. I appreciate everything. Definitely let me know in the comments below which items were your favorite. I kind of think the pajama pants are really, really cool, and I love the headphone set. I'm probably going to I did just happen to buy these in my size, so you might see these pop up throughout the holiday season here. All right, guys, thank you again. Take care, and I will see you again very, very soon. All right, bye-bye.